years.
Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Gregg's Vintage Workshop, where I'm restoring history one piece at a time. Tonight is part 5, the final part of the Emerson CF-255 TRF tube radio, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out. This is a very short video because I'm basically giving you a little walk around the radio, and I have it up to my own breadboard AM transmitter, and I'm playing some uncopyrighted music for your listening pleasure, so you can hear how well it sounds. I'm actually very impressed with how well this little speaker and this little radio sounds. Also, at one point I go ahead and I tune it to my local station here in Kewanee. I've got a lot of noise in this house with all of the stuff that's plugged in and all that, so there's a little bit of static there, but this thing is really quiet when it's just powered on. There's no hum. And as you can hear from the songs that play off of my transmitter, it's pretty darn clean. So I've been real happy with this, and it turned out really well. And big thanks to Bob Gibbons for his assistance. That's helped me along the way a little bit with this, especially with the conversion from the resistance line cord. So thank you, Bob. If you haven't subscribed to Bob's channel, make sure you do that. So, and before we say with further ado, I wanted to show you that the 1957 Motorola that I was telling you about did show up. Let me show you. So this is it. It's a unique looking radio. Like I said, it's not particularly attractive. It has a big blemish on the side there, and this is like a tweed covering. I had originally thought I would recover it. I don't think that's going to happen. I think I'm just going to try and clean this up some and try and match a little bit. But it's a pretty cool little radio, and we probably won't get to that right away though, because I promised Larry I was working on the 54C next. So, but I did want to show you that came in. So now, without further ado, let me show you the refurbished Emerson CF-255 in all its glory.
We demand a lot from our eyes every day. I should know. I have chronic dry eye caused by reduced tear production due to inflammation, so I use Restasis. It helps me make more of my own tears.
Specifically, the ability of restaurants to open for outdoor dining beginning on Friday. The full interview with the mayor of Kewanee is online now at regionaldailynews.com. Also, chance to talk with Eddie Tolliver from the Kiwanee Salvation Army. The Kiwanee Salvation Army opens on June 1st. They'll be accepting donations, however, starting today. You can contact the Kiwanee Salvation Army to make a donation of any type of item that you're looking to be rid of. Contact the Salvation Army. Temporary burning sensation.
Ask your eye doctor about restasis.
We got winners. We got losers.
So the CF-255 Emerson is in its final resting space in my living room on my 1929 Victor Model R11 next to an antique Singer sewing machine, so I think it's in a good spot. 1939. Very happy with the way it turned out. It's an awesome addition to my house. So this finishes the Emerson 255. I want to thank everyone who has watched this series on this particular radio. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit like and subscribe. And I want to thank you for watching Gregg's Vintage Workshop, where I'm restoring history one piece at a time.